No matter what you want in life, there's a good chance that you think you don't deserve it. And then when you think you do deserve it, you have this crazy fear that it's going to slip through your fingers. Let me be brutally honest with you right now. You are not too good for the things that you want, and it's not going to magically appear in front of you just because you want it enough. I know you've been told that you can achieve anything that you set your mind to before, but honestly, most people aren't willing to say it like this. They sugarcoat it. They water it down. But here's the reality. If you want to achieve something great, you have to go after it like a lioness protecting her cub, like a man protecting his territory. It's your duty to protect your dream and your vision for yourself, especially when nobody else seems to care about it. If you want to achieve your dream life, you have to keep moving forward even when no one else believes in you. You have to keep moving forward even when it feels like no one else believes in you, even when you feel like giving up. That's right, I said it. You have to keep moving forward even when it feels like everyone has given up on you, including you. That's the only way to get ahead of most people in this world. There was a boxer named Muhammad Ali who once said, "I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion." And guess what? He was right. If he hadn't stuck to those words, he probably wouldn't have become the heavyweight champion of the world. And I'm going to tell you something else. There is no such thing as an overnight success story. There is no such thing as success without sacrifice. Every single person that you admire, they had to make sacrifices. They had to work their ass off in order to get where they are today. And if you really want to achieve your dream life, then you have to be willing to do the same thing. You have to be willing to work hard and make sacrifices. You see, most people don't want to hear this. Most people don't want to hear the harsh reality. They just want to hear the nice little feel-good stories. But guess what? This isn't some fairy tale. This is real life. And in real life, things aren't always fair. Things aren't always equal. But that doesn't mean that you can't achieve your dream life. It just means that you have to work harder than the next person. When I decided to start my first business, I was all in. I didn't care about anything else other than making that business work. I didn't care about what other people thought of me. I didn't care about how tired I was or how hungry I was. All I cared about was making that business work. And guess what? It worked. I was successful. And I know this because I've done it more than once. The reason why I was successful is because I was willing to work harder than the next person. I was willing to hustle harder than the next person. And that's what you need to do if you want to achieve your dream life. You need to be willing to work harder than the next person. But what happens when we look at the people around us and we realize that they're not working as hard as we are? What happens when we see that they're coasting by on their looks, or their connections, or their race, or their gender? Well, if we're not careful, we can start to resent those people. We can start to feel like the system is rigged against us. But here's the truth. It's not. The only person that's holding you back is you. If you want to achieve your dream life, you can't let anyone else hold you back. You have to push past your limits. You have to push past the negative thoughts in your head. You have to push past the people who doubt you. And when you do that, you will achieve your dream life. A lot of people give up on their dreams because they're afraid of failure. They're afraid of what others will think of them if they fail. But here's the thing. Failure is just another excuse for you to get better. Failure is just another opportunity for you to learn from your mistakes and come back stronger than ever before. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Use it as fuel to keep you moving forward. You have to remember that the road to success is not easy. There will be bumps along the way. There will be times when you want to quit, but you have to keep moving forward. You have to keep fighting for your dream life. And when you do that, when you don't quit, when you push through the tough times, that's when you will achieve your dream life. I know this because I've seen it happen time and time again. I've seen people from all walks of life achieve their dream life because they refused to give up. I've seen people who were told that they weren't good enough, smart enough, or talented enough, and yet they went out there and proved everyone wrong. So if you're struggling right now, if you feel like you're not making any progress, then I need you to remember this. You are not alone. Everyone struggles at some point in their life. Everyone faces obstacles and challenges, but it's up to you to decide how you react to those situations. Are you going to give up, or are you going to keep moving forward? Are you going to let the negative thoughts in your head win, or are you going to push through them and come out stronger on the other side? Don't ever forget that you are capable of achieving your dream life. It's within your reach, but it's not going to fall into your lap. You have to go after it. You have to put in the work and make the sacrifices. But if you do that, if you refuse to quit on yourself, then I promise you, you will achieve your dream life. Remember, your dream life is possible, but don't give up on it. Keep fighting for it. Boxing loves, so keep moving forward, my friends. Keep pushing past your limits. Keep proving the doubters wrong. And when you do that, you will achieve your dream life. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our future uploads. We post new videos every single day, each one designed to help you become the best version of yourself. We're talking improving your mindset, increasing your productivity, helping you become the best version of yourself, and living a life that you're excited about. So make sure you hit subscribe so you can join our awesome community and start seeing results in your own life. Now, if you're wondering how to actually change your life and take massive action towards your goals, well, we have the perfect video for you. It's 7 proven steps to change your life in 2025. These are the exact steps that helped someone go from feeling unmotivated and stuck in a rut to being on track to achieving their wildest dreams. And the best part is that it's completely free. Hey, I hope you're enjoying these videos and getting a lot of value out of them. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know by hitting the like button. Also, if there's any other topics that you want me to cover or any questions you have, leave them in the comments below and I will personally reply to them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.